world he knew was a world confused, and he wanted to know the way. Then the pillow